Hello everyone, today I'll tell you about how to declare on Pandabuy. If you live in Canada, USA, UK or wherever you live, I'll tell you how you can do it. So let's get started. For Europeans, follow the 12 kg rule. If shipping via Europe tariffless, the 12 kg rule does not apply. Declare any bill between $16 to $21 for the entire parcel. Include decimals. If you are from the UK, follow the 12 kg rule. Do not exceed $135 to avoid breaching the tariff threshold. For Canadian, declare a flat rate of $14 regardless of weight or line. If uses HK UPS, the system should declare the minimum of $30. For USA, follow the 12 kg per kg rule. If the total parcel weight is under 1 kg, declare $12. Now, for any country who using EMS, round up the weight in kilograms, multiply the rounded up weight by $12. Now finally, system declare method. Utilize the system declare method of all declarations. Round up the weight to the nearest kilogram when applicable. And that's how you can declare on Pandabuy. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.